The Design and Make Challenge was held recently at the WMG Academy of Young Engineers and featured nearly 40 Year 11 and Year 12 pupils from 9 schools. Organised by the Manufacturing Assembly Network, MAN, the event is one of the largest independent STEM days held in the UK and gave students the chance to test their design, engineering, prototyping and communication skills. Teams of 4 were set the challenge of using basic materials and tools to make a vehicle that could be propelled by a falling weight. They tested their devices, modified them, and then raced them on a purpose-built 7.5 metre long track to see which one would complete the distance in the fastest possible time.
The future of engineering and technology in this country, which is a vital part of our economy, lies in our young people, and we just need to encourage more young people to get into engineering. So what better reason do I have than to come and launch this fantastic competition here at the Academy today?
This is the Design and Make Challenge 2022. So what we'll be doing is teams of 4 students in years 11 and 12 solving a problem. So today they've got to make a vehicle that runs along a pair of cables and it's propelled by a weight, which they might choose to fall. And then the vehicle is timed between 2 laser gates.
At Alucast, we've always been prepared to invest our time with events like this today, which is a Design and Make Challenge, where youngsters from school can come along and be presented with a problem, look at their own engineering capabilities from school and try and solve problems or design products. I think it will give them an interest in the future and perhaps lead them on to a career choice in engineering.
My name is Stuart Tate. I'm the principal at the WMG Academy, Solihull. We're immensely proud to be associated with this event in terms of being associated with such prestigious companies that will come in and take the time to work with young people and actually show them real life applications for the things they learn in the classroom. I'm immensely also proud with the students. The students have really engaged today. They've really given the creativity and the design and their innovation a real great boost.
We're just trying to make a vehicle, but we're trying to, it's not a specific vehicle, it just needs to have enough aerodynamics and force on the front, and then hopefully it should fly down the track.
So we were responsible for the mechanism that was involved in driving our car, for want of a better way of putting it. So we decided upon using a pulley system with a weight to propel the back wheels of the car along the track. And then our other 2 team members were involved in the body and the structure of the car.
During the day, our designs evolved a couple of times, starting with drawings, and now we've moved on to actually making the prototype. So we're going to test this soon. And originally we made these other parts like this, and they were a little bit too small. So we had to redesign that, and then we got the drawing for that here. And then after drawing that, we made them and we've put them in here. And we had to work out all the dimensions for the spot-on bit and then cut it all out and get it stuck together.
You'll be sitting at a desk doing work online probably, so it's much better than a day at work.
Today I've become part of this great event by being a member of MAN Group, which is the Manufacturing Assembly Network. We're a group of businesses that share best practice around the Midlands. We're not involved financially together, but we share best practice and we try to promote apprenticeships and promote engineering as a career choice.
Events like today are so important. We've got a huge skills shortage in UK manufacturing, but more importantly, we've got some amazing careers that really we need to showcase to the next generation. I think it's great to see such a diverse mix of people here today, but as always, we've got to make sure that we reach out to all communities, all backgrounds, and make sure that manufacturing and engineering is seen as a really inclusive and diverse place to come and work and have that really rewarding career.
In my opinion, it's really important to inspire the next generation of engineers because this country really relies on its engineering and manufacturing base. We have such a fantastic ability to innovate, but we really need young people coming in and bringing fresh ideas and the enthusiasm. So by trying to get kids involved, get students involved really early on, that's the best possible way.
Well, the first prototype attempt, it proved our concept worked, it proved that the mechanism for driving the wheels worked. It did raise a couple of things that we need to improve, but that is the purpose of our first prototype, is to learn what we need to change, what we need to improve for the next design and going into the final design as well.
Just walking around those 10 tables and watching them all innovate, come up with new ideas, is a fabulous thing to see. And one or two I've actually seen targeting much higher levels of engineering, perhaps that we would have expected at this stage in the day.
After the fiercely contested racing and judging, Ernesford Grange Community Academy and Great Worley Academy won the manufacturing and innovation titles respectively, with WMG Academy for Young Engineers Coventry taking the title for the fastest vehicle, completing the course in just 3.64 seconds. The three schools received a trophy, engineering book and a 3D printer, which was kindly donated by 3D Print UK.
What a fantastic day. There was a real buzz, wasn't there? The young people arrive and they look so frightened. The challenge is revealed to them and slowly they find their way into solutions, and the excitement, the buzz going around was just fantastic, and that's reward for us, certainly all of us who've put time in, effort to make it happen. So it was a fantastic day, absolutely.